Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create your own token as a Flash token step by step. For this example, I will be creating USDT on the TRC20 setup so you can understand the full process easily. Before we start, to begin, you will need to make a small deposit in the form of ETH. With 0.05 ETH, we can create 50,000 Flash USDT tokens. If you send less than 0.05 ETH, the process will not work. If you want more liquidity and more usability, I recommend using 0.1 ETH to get 150,000 Flash tokens. Once the tokens are created, you can transfer them to your wallet. You can send them to Binance easily. You can also transfer these tokens to gambling or betting sites and use them to place bets. Wallet setup. Before starting the process, you must install MetaMask. Install MetaMask as a Google Chrome extension. MetaMask is the easiest and most reliable wallet for this method. Let's start the process. Now let's move on to the actual steps. Open Remix. Create a new file. You can name it anything you like. I will name mine usdt.sol. Paste my personal token creation code into the file. You will find the code link in the description. Compile the contract. Go to the Solidity Compiler tab. Select compiler version 0.6.6. Click Compile. After compilation is complete, you should see a green check mark on the left side. This means the code compiled successfully. Go to Deploy and Run Transactions. In the Environment drop-down, select Browser Extension, then select Injected Provider, MetaMask. MetaMask will open and ask you to connect your wallet. Once connected successfully, your wallet balance will be visible. Create the token. Enter the token name and symbol. Name Tether. Symbol UST. Click Transact. Set the max fee, rounding the number to the nearest integer. The first transaction is the most expensive. It usually costs between $1 to $3. Wait for the transaction to be confirmed. Once confirmed, verify the contract. Go to the Deployed Contract section in Remix. Copy your contract address, paste it into EtherScan. You will see that the contract has been created successfully. Fund the contract, open your MetaMask wallet. Send 0.05 ETH to the contract address you just created. Remember, 0.05 ETH is the minimum. Wait for the transaction confirmation. After confirmation, refresh the EtherScan page. You will see that the contract has been funded. Mint the tokens. Go back to Remix. You will now see your contract balance. Click Start. Set the maximum gas fee. Confirm the transaction in MetaMask. This step will mint your tokens. Once confirmed, your Flash USDT tokens are successfully created. Withdraw tokens to your wallet. Click Withdraw. Set the max fee again. Confirm the transaction. After confirmation, wait a few minutes. Check your wallet balance. You will see 50,000 Flash USDT. Now you can send it to Binance or any other wallet or exchange. You can also send it using a TRC20 address to any gambling site. If you have any questions, feel free to message me on Telegram.